Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of Turtle Power. Well, today we're going to do something just a little bit special. Today we'll be cooking a porchetta. We're cooking this in the Ninja wood-fired oven, and also we've got a bit of a gadget. We're going to be using this. This is the hog roaster, and this is from the Pellet Man. So the main ingredient for this is a belly pork. So we've got a piece of belly pork, and all we're going to do is butterfly it. Now butterfly simply means is run a knife through it and down the middle and open it out to it's twice the size. Then we've got 6 garlic cloves that we're going to roughly chop. Them into a bowl. And then we've got about 3 sprigs of rosemary. We're just going to remove the leaves off it. Give it a rough chop. And that's roughly chopped. We're going to get into a pestle and mortar. Then we've got 2 or 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. We're just going to pull the leaves off them. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of dry sage, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 10 black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of fennel. And we're just going to get in there and give it a rough grind up. To that we're going to add our 6 cloves of chopped garlic, and then we've got 1 lemon. All we're going to do is just finely grate the zest. Then we've got 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Once that's in the pestle and mortar, we're just going to give it a good old mix. Now that's ready. Just going to take some coarse sea salt, about a tablespoon, and just spread it evenly across the belly pork. Once that's done, we're going to get our mixture, pour it onto the belly pork, and then using the trusty old hand, we're just going to spread this out to get a nice even coat. Now we're going to take the side with no skin on and roll this up like a Swiss roll. Once we've rolled it, we need some string. Now I can't do a butcher's knot, so this is my interpretation. I've cut 5 pieces of string, just pull it round, pull it tight and tie it off. Once we've done that, pair of scissors, snip the loose ends off, and then it's ready. We're going to get our skewer from the Pellet Man's hog roaster, feed it through the middle, and it's ready. Of course, what pellets go with pork? Apple. So we've got some of the Pellet Man's apple pellets, full hopper here. We'll get them in. We're also using the heat deflector from the Pellet Man. And here we are. This is the hog roaster, TPM, the Pellet Man. Place that in the middle. Shut the oven. We're going to set the oven to smoker, 120 degrees C, that's 248F. And we're going to put about 4 hours on the clock. Press start and away we go. Once it's done its preheat and it's up to temperature and we've got rid of that horrible acrid smoke, we're now ready. So time to put the porchetta onto the hog roaster. This is how it fits on. Just spray it with some olive oil, sprinkle some coarse sea salt on it, shove the rack in, and we're good to go. I'm just going to take a look now. We've had about 2.5 hours. You can see the colour starting to develop on this. What we're going to do now, we're going to roast some potatoes. So I've got some parboiled potatoes. We're just going to drop them into the tray. We're going to let the fats in there do the work, and also we're just going to spray some olive oil shove it in, and now we're going to turn the temperature up to 180 degrees C, and this is going to help those potatoes to roast and also help that skin to start to crackle. So after an hour, this is what we've got. Look at those potatoes, the skin's starting to crackle. I did turn it round in the hog roaster, and now it's ready to serve.
Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, let's let our mind and bodies intertwine. You don't need to.
There we have it, folks. That's Dutchy's Porchetta cooked in a Ninja wood-fired oven along with some roast potatoes. I think it's about time we got in and had a look and see exactly what we've got.
You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so.
A lovely slice Porchetta. I think we're going for a bit of a taste. Flavours of that are amazing. It's really garlicky. You can taste the lemon zest coming through. Those herbs really do it justice. The little roast potatoes, nice, crispy on the outside, just fluffy on the inside. That crackling, well, let's go for it. It's what everybody wants. Best part of it is the crackling, nice, crisp and tasty.